Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today we built your dream home with Would You Rather Build Your Dream House Edition. Let's get started. First up, choose your dream mansion. Now, let's design your bedroom for the sweetest dreams. Time to freshen up. Pick your ideal shower. Now choose your car. What will you drive? Here's something fun. Pick your favorite bunk bed. Choose your task like this video, live in an abundant house, or comment your birthday. Let's decorate. What's your dream living room style? Every home needs a statement entrance. Choose your dream front door. Time to chill. Pick the coziest beanbag. Movie nights are a must. Choose your dream home cinema setup. Now let's light up your space. Pick the coolest lamp. A dream home isn't complete without a cozy fireplace. Pick yours. Let's get comfy. Choose the perfect sofa to relax on. What's cooking? Pick your dream kitchen. Snack time. Choose the best coffee machine. Time to get fancy. Pick the most luxurious dining room. Game time. Choose the ultimate gaming setup. Gamers, this one's for you. Pick the perfect gaming chair. Step outside. Choose the perfect backyard for parties. What about a pool? Pick the one you'd love to dive into. Want even more fun? Choose an exciting water park for your home. A dream home needs a treehouse. Pick the most magical one. Let's go up in style. Pick your dream staircase. Elevate your home. Choose a stylish elevator. Beach vibes. Pick the most relaxing beach house. Now, let's upgrade your driveway. Choose the perfect entrance. Time for speed. Choose your dream car. Need for speed? Pick the motorcycle you'd love to ride. Walk-in closet time. Choose the most stylish one. Let's stay fit. Pick your dream home gym. Game night. Choose the best pool table for fun times. Pick your dream balcony with the best view. It's barbecue time. Choose the perfect outdoor grill. Cozy vibes. Pick the coziest winter garden. Ready to work. Choose the ultimate home office. Choose a rocking chair and relax in style. Let's add a finishing touch. Pick your dream coffee table. What flooring style matches your dream home? Pick your favorite. Time to float away. Pick the coolest pool float. Pick your perfect wall color to match your vibe. And finally, let's complete your home. Choose the best home gate. And that's it. Your dream home is officially designed. Which choices were your favorite? Let me know in the comments. If you had fun, click on another quiz video on the screen and keep the challenge going. And don't forget to subscribe for more awesome quizzes. See you in the next video.